My dear child, the time you are living in is filled with wonders and miracles. Even when life feels difficult, know that I am with you. My words are alive, carrying strength and promises for you. My presence surrounds you, nurturing your soul as you face life's struggles. When burdens seem too heavy, do not lose hope. Remember, I am always by your side. Take a deep breath and let this message settle in your heart. If these words bring comfort to you, share them with someone else who may need them. Like and share this message so others can also receive encouragement and strength. Even in moments when your hope feels distant, I stand firm beside you. Your faith and loyalty have not gone unnoticed, and I am preparing a miracle just for you. The blessing you have been waiting for is coming, far greater than you ever imagined. When it arrives, embrace it with joy, hold it close, and cherish it. I am ready to pour out gifts upon you, my beloved, but I ask one thing of you. Stand strong and courageous. Like the great believers before you, walk in faith, perform wonders, and be a source of healing to those in pain. Speak to the skies, and they will bring forth rain. Let an outpouring of blessings wash over you and those around you. More than anything, let love fill your heart. Love that shields, transforms, and uplifts. If you seek a miracle will surely find you. You are walking a path built on faith, shaping a future filled with hope. Through the power of my divine word, what is unseen becomes seen, and what seems out of reach will be yours. Carry the spirit of a conqueror. Be bold, unwavering, diligent, patient, humble, and pure. I walk with those who hold sincere faith, those who do not live selfishly, but instead rise above challenges and dedicate themselves to my calling. Through you, greater wonders will be realized than you have ever dreamed. Be patient, my child. The trials you face are preparing you, making you wiser and stronger. When the right moment comes, you will feel it deep within your heart. And when you receive your blessing, bow down and remove your shoes, for you will be standing on holy ground. I will reveal the path ahead, the great things you will accomplish, and the purpose I have set for you. Hold on to hope, for your moment of victory is near. Trust in me. Stay close to my side, even when storms rage around you. Find shelter in my presence. The winds of life may shake your faith, but I know your struggles. I am your God, your closest friend, and your protector. Your pain does not bring my judgment, nor do your failures push me away. I am here to lift you, support you, and bring you through every storm. Let go of your anxieties. I see the incredible potential in you. You are not just surviving, you are being prepared for greatness. Feel my love through these words and trust in the gifts I am pouring into your life. You need not fear the obstacles ahead, for I am working behind the scenes, preparing breakthroughs for you. The challenges you face now will not defeat you. No enemy can stand against you, for you are covered by my hand. Victory after victory is coming your way. I am sending the answers you have been seeking. The changes happening in your life are for your good. Open your heart and your home to my presence, for I am with you. I know what you need before you even ask, but I want you to speak to me. Tell me your desires, your struggles, your dreams. True success comes from faith, consistent prayer, and the willingness to grow. The blessings I give you will not bring sorrow, but will enrich your life and the lives of those you love. Cherish your family. Take care of your health. Do not let the burdens of this world steal your peace. Material things will pass away, but the love you share, the kindness you spread, and the faith you hold on to, these are eternal treasures. One day I will call you to me and say, "Well done, my beloved. You have been faithful. and I have prepared a great reward for you. Until that day, walk in faith, knowing that I am with you always. I am calling you now. Let me in. I am ready to fill your home, your heart, and your life with peace, joy, and abundance. The season of blessing is near. Trust in me, and you will see my wonders unfold before your eyes.